Hi guys, you're welcome to the channel. Thank you for stopping by to watch this video. And in today's video I'm going to be taking you around Victoria Mall, which is one of the top malls in Entebbe town. So if you're staying in Entebbe or close to Entebbe International Airport and you're looking for a place to shop, this is a great place to stop because there are supermarkets. You're going to see the different shops that are inside, and yeah, so that anytime you want to stop by, it's by the roadside along the Entebbe highway. You can stop by and get some stuff for yourself. So enjoy the video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So that was it for the video. As you can see, there are supermarkets there. If you're on safari and you need somewhere to get like gear or clothes or shoes, there is a lifestyle outdoor gear shop that was right next to Carrefour Market, which is the main supermarket there. There's a KFC restaurant, there is Middle East restaurant. So and then there's also a hotel on the property like you saw in the video called Best Western Hotel. So that's a hotel that you can choose if you want to sleep there. and close to the mall, that's also one that can work for you. There is a pharmacy, there's LC Waikiki, which is a clothing shop, but it wasn't open, so I didn't show it in the video. And there are also sitting areas, so if you buy something from the supermarket and you maybe want to eat it at the mall, you can go down where you saw the fish pond and the rest and sit there and have your meal while having that view. So it's a big supermarket, it's a big mall, sorry, and there is parking, enough parking. They both have the downstairs parking and the parking area that is as you enter the mall. That one is big enough, so you can be assured that you'll have somewhere that is safe for you to park your car. So that was it for the video. Thank you so much for stopping by to watch this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.